Welcome to the next update of my little project. As you can see, I've moved on a little bit. Moving a bit closer this time. As you can see, I've got in the point rodding run, and I've also weathered the track, ballasted. Signal box is one I've had lying around for a while. I think it suits this little area. Move this out of the way. The platform I've scratch built using 3mm mounting board, cardboard with metcalfe, blue brick, engineer's brick papers, sprayed with #1 humbrol primer. What I've done here is I've just indented with an end of a screwdriver to represent the paving slabs. Clean the tops of the rails. Now, this building is a bachmann Syncraft building. I was going to put it to the back, but I'm thinking it doesn't give me much, so I'm going to put it forward and then give it a bit of depth, and then I'm also going to use the back and pull the scenery forward as well, and have like a path going across the back. I've also started to lay the track on the second board, ready to go off. It's coming along. Now I've got the station in, or the platform in. I know where the signal box is. I can now start on the scenery, starting from the back, working my way forward. And when it comes to the buffer stop, yes, I've got that, and I've started to paint it up. I just wanted to get this done. The platform is the main thing to be done, so that I can then start the scenery. I didn't want to use a too bigger building, because my thought is if I use too bigger buildings on it, it's going to start and cram and crowd the scene. With it being such a small board, if you use too bigger buildings or too many buildings, the scene's going to start looking crowded. Again, any comments, please leave down below. I will answer them. But yeah, I think it's coming along. Slowly, but coming along. Till the next time, bye.